Hello friends, welcome to Fink Lab. Today I am going to attempt to do a lava lamp. A lava lamp is something that was from the 60s that everybody liked to have in their room. It's kind of mesmerizing to watch the oil and whatever colored water float around. You might have one at your own home, but we're going to attempt to make one ourselves. So what you will need is you will need a container to do the experiment in, either a jar or a water bottle. Voss water bottles work really great. You can get those at Target. You will need vegetable oil, food coloring, and then you'll need those Alka-Seltzer tablets that I sent home with you in your last pickup packet. Break that into a couple pieces because you don't want to just throw the whole tablet in at once. You want to do it slowly so you can see the reaction happen for a little while. So the first thing I'm going to do is fill this with a little more water. You want it about a quarter of the way full. And then you're going to take your oil, and I don't know if you know, oil and water do not mix, so when the oil gets poured in here, you'll see that it floats to the top. And you're going to fill this about that far. You want to make sure there's enough room at the top for the reaction to take place. And do you see that? Do you see how the water, oh, there's actually a bubble of oil in the water. The water remains on the bottom and the oil rises. So that means that the water is denser. Right, Mr. Todd?
The dense stuff sinks.
Yep. So the water is more dense than the oil, which really seems weird because oil feels very heavy. So there we go. And then you're going to take your food coloring and you're going to drip. I'm going to put one red in there, actually two red. And that's kind of fun to watch it sink to the water line, and it should break through the line eventually. And then I'm going to do a bunch of yellow because I'm going to try to make orange, of course. And then you're going to take one of those pieces of the Alka-Seltzer and drop it in. Now the Alka-Seltzer will react with the water, and if it doesn't make the, I'm going to get a spoon. I'm going to mix it because I want you to see the reaction of the colors. I don't want it to just be, I don't want it to be boring. I want it to be fun. Okay, so there we have the orange color now. So let's try, we'll let it settle a little bit. See all the bubbles? That's caused by the Alka-Seltzer. Let's try this again. Oh, there we go. There's a little bit of reaction still happening. Let's drop another one in there. I don't know why it never ends up looking like it does on the videos. Well, it didn't really turn out the way I thought it would. Because it should be showing the color going up and down in the oil. And perhaps me stirring it up kind of aggravated it. I'm going to throw another one in. You can kind of see it a little better there.
Oh yeah. Like a volcano tornado.
Oh, look, it's rising up. So, now it's dropping back down again. Oh, there it goes back up again. And we'll throw I have one left. One last one. Maybe this one will be the showstopper. Oh, they all keep going there. There we go. Kind of. I got to chase it. In the video, it showed more like bubbles like that.
Ooh, that's cool.
It does kind of look like a tornado. It's suspended in the oil, but it's not making pretty orange color, is it? Now it's dropping back down. Okay, well, maybe you'll have better results than I did, but it was still kind of fun to do it. And you have 2 tablets, so I would suggest maybe doing it once and then trying it again with the other one in case it doesn't work out well, like mine. I'm gonna try to push it down and get it back. Where is it? Get back down there. It does not want to stay down. Okay, well that's science at the Fink Lab. Sometimes experiments don't happen or work out the way you want them to, but they're still kind of fun to try. So that's it then. Toodaloo.